Hi, how are you? I want to talk to you about Mitolyn. If you've tried everything to lose weight and feel like nothing works, your metabolism might need a boost. You can find Mitolyn on the official website, which is linked in the video description and pinned comment. To avoid problems and complications when purchasing, make sure to access this official page. Okay, but what can Mitolyn do for you? Let's go. Boosts metabolism. Natural ingredients optimize fat burning. More energy, helps reduce fatigue and keeps you active. Less hunger, controls appetite, making it easier to manage your diet. Focus and mental clarity, contains nutrients that improve cognition. Overall health, may help balance blood sugar and blood pressure. How to take it? The recommendation is simple. Take 1 capsule in the morning with a glass of cold water. Since it has energizing effects, it's best to avoid taking it at night. Is it really safe to use Mitolyn? It is made in the USA, following strict quality standards. Its formula consists only of natural ingredients and does not contain harmful substances, making it safe for daily use. Main ingredients and their benefits. Maqui berry, rich in antioxidants, protects cells against premature aging. Rhodiola, increases physical and mental endurance while reducing stress. Amla, improves digestion and supports metabolism. Schisandra, known for strengthening the immune system and helping with hormonal balance. Hematococcus, a source of astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant. Theobroma cacao, contributes to good mood and improves metabolism. How does it work on metabolism? Research shows that when mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, function well, metabolism stays active and efficient. Mitolyn combines natural ingredients that stimulate these functions, helping your body burn fat more effectively and giving you more energy throughout the day. Where to buy? Mitolyn is only available on the official website, which you can find in the video description and pinned comment. By purchasing there, you ensure the product's authenticity and avoid complications. If you're looking for an ally to improve your metabolism and make weight loss easier, Mitolyn could be a great option. Hope this helps.